So day 3 after the polders were flooded, and we can see the water has gone down considerably. In this field we can still see where it is wet and where the water was. If I come around here, there is now the biggest surprise, because down here we have got a completely dry road. So I stood near here yesterday and 2 days ago, and I had to wade through the water, but today I'm not going to get my feet wet because it's all dry. So if you saw yesterday's film and the film before then, you can see the difference. Quite impressive difference, I would say. To my eye, this is at least 30 centimeters lower than where it was this time yesterday, though we do see that the water is still moving, but I think that is because the Odra is still feeding water into the polders, and so with the polders on the right hand side, so there's water still coming in. Now here we have what appears to be, I don't know why, where this water is actually coming from, but we can see it moving. But a bit further down you might be able to make out there's a bridge, and water is clearly moving into that. So I would say that this operation here to the southeast of Wrocław was a major success. This water in the city centre would have caused an incredible amount of damage, but as it happens here now, it sort of looks like a lake in the countryside, and very pleasant view, particularly on a day like today. Today 24 degrees centigrade, tomorrow will also be 24. There's no rain. We've got swans on the puddle, or whatever we call here, the polder, and there's herons as well, which I haven't seen here before. That suggests to me that maybe they're here because they can get food, or is it because they think they can get food although they can't? You see here, the amount of water in this field was very similar yesterday. And here we have a bridge. Now I don't know how long it's going to take for this water to go down further, but I shall come out here tomorrow and the day after to find out how it's doing. But the expanse of water yesterday did seem to be much bigger than today, even here. So the water started somewhere around here yesterday, so I walked into the paddling pool around here, and you can see now there's how much lower it is compared to yesterday. Well, that's even more than 30 centimeters, it seems to me. So what for me became the image of the flooding is this sign here to the right, the road signs. And as you can see, this track here, this road, well, the no entry sign still is in water, but who knows, it mightn't be for much longer. So thanks for watching, hope you found that interesting, and bye for now.